Need to record your screen with OBS Blade, but you're not sure where to begin? Well, yeah, in this guide, I'll walk you through the complete setup, from creating your first scene to saving high-quality recordings. So let's get started. Once OBS Blade is open, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new scene. After that, add the sources you need for your recording. Depending on what you're capturing, you can choose display capture, window capture, game capture, a webcam, or other available sources. Next, open the Settings menu and head to the Recording or Output section. Here you can choose where your recordings will be saved, select your preferred video format, and adjust the recording quality. If you're just getting started, the default settings usually work really well. Now review your video and audio settings. Pick the resolution and frame rate that fit your computer's performance. I mean, recording at higher settings looks great, but it also uses more storage and system resources. Finally, make sure your microphone and desktop audio are both working in the mixer. Before recording, spend a few seconds checking your preview. Make sure everything is positioned correctly and that your audio levels aren't too low or clipping. Yeah, a quick test recording can help you catch any issues before creating your final video. When you're ready, click the Start Recording button. OBS Blade will begin saving your video immediately. Once you've finished, simply click Stop Recording, and your file will be stored in the folder you selected earlier, ready for editing or sharing. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to start recording with OBS Blade in 2026. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial helped you out, be sure to check out our other quick guides for more useful tips.